Okay, so let's start with the variables now. So we see about variables. Now, variables are identifiers. Variables are identifiers. Variables are identifiers. The concept is basically variables are identifiers. Any programming language you take, like C language, C++ language, Java programming, Python, C Sharp, PHP, Ruby, Perl, any programming Go language, any programming language you take, variable is very, very important role it will play. What is variable is basically, variable is container. Variable is container. Variable is container. It can hold a data with different data types. Data with different data types. Data with different data types. Okay, let me go. Variable is a container. Variable is a container. It can hold a data with different data types. For example, a variable name. So variable should define with variable name. Variable name should define with the variable name. Very important. Variable should define with the variable name. And one more important point, variable name need to follow some rules and regulations. Some rules, some fundamental rules. Fundamental rules. Okay, fundamental rules. What are the fundamental rules or compulsory rules for the variable name? Let me write variable name rules. What are the rules variable name should follow? Okay, variable name is, first of all, variable name is custom defined. Variable name is custom defined. Custom defined means you can give the variable name as a cinema name, movie name, heroine name, hero name, whatever it may be. But variable name is custom defined name, but it should be follow some rules and regulations. The name should follow some rules and regulations. What are the rules and regulations for the variable name is important. Variable name is custom defined name. You can give the hero name, you can give the heroine name, whatever it is. Okay, so you can give the movie name. You can give the any name, sir. Variable name is any name. It is a custom defined name, but variable name have some rules and regulations. What is the first rule? Variable name. Variable name should not start with the number. Variable name should not start with the number. Number to start చేయొద్దు. Variable name should not start with the number. For example, 1 PRD or 100 product or 23 EMP. So these are not a variable names. This is wrong variable, wrong name, wrong definition, wrong definition. This is a wrong defined. And one more, this is the wrong defined. This is the wrong defined. So you try to understand. You cannot create your variable name or you cannot initiate your variable name with the number. This is also wrong. Wrong defined. Whenever you are trying to creating a variable name, it should not start with the number. Variable name should not start with the number. That is the first rule you have to follow. Then immediately one more rule I want to give. Variable name should not contain spaces. Should not contain spaces. Variable name should not contain spaces. For example, PRD space name. This is wrong. Okay. Employee space name. This is wrong. First space name. First name. First name. If I want to define the first name variable, don't give the space. Whenever you are providing space for the variable name, in variable name, whenever you are providing the space, that is the wrong variable name. Okay. You cannot give the spaces for the variable names. You cannot give the spaces for the variable names. The first rule is what? You cannot define the variable name with a number. That you cannot do. And variable name should not take a spaces. That is the one more rule. Okay, let me see the program. Let me see the same thing in the program. Okay, variables. I'm just defining the variables rules. The program name is variables rules.py. Variables rules.py. Okay, so for the variable rules, I want to define something like EMP space name is equal to EMP name is Srinivas. EMP name is Srinivas. Okay, print EMP name. So whenever you are defining the variable name, it is actually giving the error. Obviously, in the program, if I'm not executing the program, even I'm not executing the program, it is actually showing me the error. Underline, under red color line is coming. Under the name, red color line is coming. It means that you are not defining the variable name properly. You're not defining the variable name properly. This is invalid syntax. Invalid syntax. Sir, you said variable name is custom defined name kada. You said variable name is custom defined name kada, but employee name should take kada means I'm giving space here, sir. I'm giving space here, sir. That is the why reason it is not actually accepting the variable name. That is the why reason it is not actually accepting the variable name. So you cannot define the variable name like that. So you can define the variable name like this. EMP name is equal to Srinivas. Yes, this will print. Previous one is EMP name only, and this one also EMP name only. Both are EMP names only. But previously I am doing EMP space name. This time I am giving the EMP just name, not space. But this will work out. This will work out. Srinivas is printing finally. This will work out. Srinivas is printing finally. Can you see Srinivas is printing finally? So, yeah, EMP name, but you are giving a space here. There is a problem. That is a problem. The first rule is okay. Okay, another rule. What is the another rule I am doing here? Okay, numbers. Whenever you are starting a variable name with the numbers, whenever you are starting a variable name with the numbers, all the programs I'm saving, guys, type conversion also I'm saving, variable names. Okay. Now, numbers. Okay, one EMP is equal to, okay, Srini. One EMP is equal to Srini. When I say one EMP Srini, obviously this is not workout. So automatically it is actually showing the error. One EMP is not a variable name properly. You are not giving the variable name properly. Okay, so you will get the error obviously. So one EMP is having the issue, invalid decimal or literal. Invalid decimal or literal. So in that way, you cannot give the variable name like this. You cannot give the variable name like this. And one more rule. Let me go with the one more rule. Let me go with the one more rule. Let me go with the one more rule. The third rule, variable name should not, variable name not is not a Python keyword or identifier. Python keyword or identifier. Variable name is not a Python keyword or identifier. Okay, there is a Python keyword called type. There is a Python keyword called print. There is a Python keyword called ID. There is a Python keyword called int. There is a Python keyword called float. There is a Python keyword called str. There is a Python keyword called if. There is a Python keyword called elif. There is a Python keyword called for. Okay, so if you want to see what are the Python keywords or identifiers, you can search in the Google. Python keywords or identifiers. Python identifiers list. You can search in the Google Python identifiers list. What are the default keywords which are available in Python? You are not take a keyword or identifier as the Python variable name. Don't provide a keyword or identifier as the variable name. So network is very slow. Python keywords. Python keywords. Okay. Let me see what are the different Python keywords which are available. So open the W3 schools. You can see. Oh, end is Python keyword, as is Python keyword, asset is the Python keyword, break is the Python keyword, class is the Python keyword, continue is the Python keyword, def, del, elif, else, expect, false, finally, for, from, global, if, import, in, is, lambda, none, non-local, not, or, pass, raise, return, true, try, while, with, yield. So these are the different Python keywords. Python keywords. You cannot give variable name as Python keyword. I am trying to giving the variable name as Python keyword. It will not allow. Let me try to do. Let me try to do. If is equal to something like Srinivas. If is equal to Srinivas. So immediately what is happening? Can you see what is happening here? Whenever I'm defining the variable, it is showing me the error. Whenever I'm defining the variable, if is equal to Srinivas, Sir, don't give if keyword. If keyword as a variable name. If is the keyword, Python keyword. If is Python identifier. Don't take Python keyword as a variable name. Don't take a Python keyword as a variable name. Elif not allowed. Elif not allowed. So Python keywords not allowed as a variable name. The third rule is also okay. Third rule, variable name is not a Python keyword or identifier. Variable name is not a Python keyword or identifier. So that is the third rule. Fourth rule, let me go with the fourth rule. Variable name should not contain any special characters. Variable name should not contain any special characters. What are the special characters? For example, these are the special characters. These are the special characters which are available. These are the special characters which are available. Variable name should not contain any special characters like this. Variable name should not contain any special characters like this. Okay, don't take any special characters inside the variable name. Okay, for example, emp hash name. Emp hash name is not a variable name. Or first hyphen name. Hyphen is a keyword. Hyphen is a special character. Sorry, hyphen is not allowed. Okay, first equal to name. No, equal to is a assignment operator. Don't give the equal to inside the variable name. Okay, for example, emp dollar name. Don't take special characters in the variable names. Don't take special characters in the variable names. Don't take special characters in the variable name. So this is the one more rule. Let me go. This is the one more rule. Let me go with the program. I'm trying to doing the program now. So this is not allowed. Okay, fine. Let me do one variable emp dollar name. Emp name. It is not allowing. Very clear. It is actually showing me the error. Underline red color is coming. Underline red color is coming means automatically it is not allowing me. Underline red color is coming means it is not allowing me. So if you run the program, it will not work out. If you run the program, employee name will not print. Srinivas will not print. Obviously, invalid syntax. Syntax, you are doing wrong syntax. You are doing wrong syntax. Okay, it is not allowing me. Okay, let me try emp hyphen name is equal to Srinivas. Print emp hyphen name. Maybe hyphens are allowing. No, hyphen not allowed. Hyphen not allowed. Okay, so one important point you have to remember. No special character is going to be allowed with the variable names. Now, let me write the fifth point. Variable name allowed only one special character. Variable name allowed only one special character called underscore. Any programming language you take. I'm not talking about the variable name rules in the only Python. I'm talking about the Java. I'm talking about the C#. I'm talking about the C, C++, even JavaScript also. Variable name rules and regulations, every programming language common, but you are learning now in Python. Okay, no problem. Variable name allowed only one special character called underscore. Underscore, okay, sir. Underscore allowed, sir. EMP underscore name. Okay, this is right. This is right. This is the right syntax. EMP hyphen name is the wrong syntax. EMP hyphen name is the wrong syntax, but EMP underscore name is the right syntax. EMP underscore name is the right syntax. EMP hyphen name is the wrong syntax. Underscore, this is underscore. Underscore is something like downline. This is something like middle line. This is something like downline. Downline is allowed. Underscore is something like downline. Okay, let me go. Let me see. EMP underscore name. EMP name is equal to Srinivas. This is allowing me. This is allowing me only underscore have some special category for the variable names. Only underscore have special category for the variable name or function name or class name or object name, whatever it may be furtherly in the programming. But EMP underscore name is allowing me. Okay. Srinivas is finally printing, no problem. Srinivas is finally printing, no problem. Okay, so finally you need to got understand variable name is allowing only one special character that is called underscore. Getting understand Anita Bhavani Daivashala Nasara Sweta. Okay, finally let me go. Okay, so let us go with one more rule. Let me go with the one more rule. Variable name allowed allowed numbers allowed numbers in middle or end. Okay, suppose for example EMP1 is equal to Srinivas. This is okay or not? Now I am just giving the EMP1, EMP2. EMP1, one is there now. One is there now. Swapna. Okay, so employee 1 is equal to Srinivas, employee 2 is equal to Swapna. Employee 1 is Srinivas, employee 2 is Swapna. So this is allowing or not? So now 1 and 2, sir, you said numbers are not taking, sir. But number initiate is not taking. Initiate with the number is not taking, but number in the middle of the variable name, it is actually allowing me. So employee 1, employee 2, yes, you can do that. So let me see. EMP1 is equal to EMP1 is equal to something like Swapna, and EMP2 is equal to something like Sweta. EMP1, EMP2. So finally print of EMP1, print of EMP2. Okay, this will be allowed, sir. Remember, number you can give, but end of the string or in middle of the string you can do. But in middle of the in the initiate of the string, numbers are not allowed. Don't start your variable name with the number. Don't start your variable name with the number. No. Execute the program, employee 1 and employee 2, Sweta and Swapna will come or not. Swapna, Sweta both are coming. Now, let me do one more thing. Sir, numbers okay kada? Numbers are allowing me in the EMP1 and EMP2. In the same way, maybe special characters allowed any side of the variable or anywhere in the variable. Special characters, let me see the special characters. Special characters anywhere not allowed. Anywhere not allowed. It means what? For example, EMP hyphen. Oh, sorry, what is this mark actually? EMP hash. EMP hash is equal to something like Ramya. EMP dollar is equal to something like Rajesh. Okay, I'm having the Ramya and Rajesh now. I'm having Ramya and Rajesh now. Let me try to this too. Not allowed actually. I'm telling not allowed. So EMP dollar is equal to Ramya, not allowing. EMP dollar is equal to Rajesh, not allowing. So can you see this? It is giving me obviously invalid syntax. Okay. Anywhere special characters are not allowing, but numbers are allowing in middle of the string or end of the string, no problem. Numbers are allowing middle of the string, end of the string, okay, no problem. But when we go with the special characters case, special characters not allowed in the variable name anywhere you go. So this is the concept of the variables, how to define the variables and all. Now we will see one sample program about the variables. Let me define some employee details. Let me define some product details, whatever it may be. Okay. So I hope everybody got understand about the variable names and all. Everybody getting understand about the variable names? Variable names, rules and regulations. I'm telling variable names, rules and regulations. Anita, Bhavani, Davishala, Nasara, Sweta. I'm telling about the variable names, rules and regulations. Variable names, rules and regulations. Yes, yes. Okay, let me see one sample program about the variables. Just I want to go with the one sample program about the variables. Variables.py. Let me go some details about the employee details. Okay. EMP name is equal to something like Srinivas. EMP qualification, employee underscore qualification. Sorry, EMP underscore qualification is equal to something like MC, and employee salary. I want to give the salary of the employee. Employee salary is equal to 78,000. And EMP designation. EMP designation is equal to senior developer. Okay, I'm trying to defining some variable names here. I'm trying to defining some variable names here. Okay, let me print all the variable names if you want. Okay, let me print all the variable names. First of all, I'm printing the employee name. And immediately I want to print each and every employee data. Employee name is something, employee qualification is something, and employee salary is something, and employee designation is something. Okay, if you want, you can print like this. No, sir, I want to print a detailed statement. If you want to print all the statements or detailed things, you can print the detailed way. What is the detailed way? The first variable is regarding to the employee name. For example, I want to print like employee name is then comma. You can give the comma like this. And here also employee salary or employee qualification is employee qualification is tomorrow we will discuss about the string formatting things. Don't worry. And today I'm just telling about the variable names and all. And this one is employee salary. Employee salary is that's all comma. And this one designation. Employee designation is tomorrow we will discuss about the data types also. Tomorrow, very, very important class. Tomorrow have data types class, and tomorrow we have the print conversions or print formatting ways. There are multiple print formatting ways we have. We will discuss all the print formatting ways. That's all. So just execute it. Employee name is. So first of all, I'm just printing Srinivas MCA 78,000 senior developer, but I want to print a detailed way. Employee name is Srinivas, employee qualification is MCA, employee salary is 78,000, employee designation is senior developer. Okay, now my requirement is simply different. I want to print, okay, my requirement is employee name is Srinivas. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి ఇప్పుడు వస్తుంది ప్రాబ్లం ఎంప్లాయీ నేమ్ ఈస్ శ్రీనివాస్ he is getting salary something like 78,000 అనుకుందాం ఇలా నాకు కావాలి I want this output now. If I want to see this output, what you can do? Anybody just give the solution for this in the chat box. Please give me the solution for this. In the chat box, you can give the solution for this. First of all, Srinivas is available here. Salary is also available here. Salary is available here and name is available here. Tell me, what is the solution for this? Okay, let me do one thing. Print of, first thing is employee name is comma, EMP name plus he is getting salary plus EMP salary. So you know about the string concatenation. But here salary is not string. String concatenation, how string concatenation will be allowed? So first one is string, second one is string. Okay, why? Because employee name also string. First one is your custom string. So let me tell you, this is string, double quotes. This is also string. Employee name is already string, but this is also string. String plus string plus string. Okay, fine. This is okay, fine. But here it is actually integer. Last one is integer. Salary is integer. So salary is integer. Okay, let me try to print it. You can get the output or not. Yes, 100% you cannot able to see the output. Why? Because of only the problem with the concatenation issue. Can only concatenate strings, not integers. This particular statement can only concatenate strings, not with the integers. Then aim ledandi. You can convert this into the string. When you convert this into the string, str of EMP salary. It's a small solution I can do here. When I do a small solution, automatically string plus string plus string plus string. String plus string plus string plus string. String concatenation is going on. String concatenation is going on. Now final output will be employee name is Srinivas. He is getting the salary is 78,000. But the same concept, which is not having the issue, when I want to print the name and qualification, no need to convert. When I want to print the name and designation, no need to convert. When I want to go with the qualification and designation, not a issue. So can you see, observe? If I want to go with these two, not a issue. If I want to go with this and this, not a issue. If I want to go with this and this, not a issue. But whenever the number come into the picture, first of all, you have to convert into the string. Convert into the string. Conversion is very, very important. If you miss the conversion, obviously you face the issue. Okay. So, right, everybody got to understand how the variables are working here today. Okay, fine. You practice the programs, variable names, and variable names have some rules and regulations, and you try to practice with the multiple programs for the variable names. I am writing for employees details here. You can write different examples. You can write your name, your friends' names, your family members, your college mates, whatever you want. You can prepare with the multiple examples. I want to prepare you people multiple examples, and please share me in WhatsApp. So you are already have a group, right? You please share your assignments in the group. That will be having more interactive with the group. You share your assignments in the group. The assignments screenshots in the group. You please prepare the programs. Please do some assignments with your names, your family names, or your friends' names, whatever it may be, or go with the shopping market or shopping mall. You can have a different products. Take a product price, product discount, product ID, whatever it may be. So you try to do practice many examples on the variables today. And whenever you are defining the variable name, you need to follow some rules and regulations. You don't forget about it. Today class is more and more important. Variable name. Whenever you are defining the variable name is a custom name, but custom name have some rules and regulations. You need to obey the rules. You need to obey the rules. If you are missing the rules, automatically you are facing the issues. A programmer should follow some rules and regulations, sir. So whenever you are actually traveling in the train, you need to follow some rules and regulations. What are the rules and regulations? You need to take the ticket and you need to enter into the platform and you need to enter into your berth and you need to sleep. That is the rules and regulations of the travel. At the same time, whenever you are writing the program, you need to follow some rules and regulations. నా ఇష్టం వచ్చినట్టు నేను చేస్తా అంటే అవదండి. As a programmer, you need to follow some rules and regulations. That rules and regulations only you are learning with me. That rules and regulations only you are learning with me in the simple way. Python is very simple. Python is dead easy. Python is dead easy when you are comparing with the Java, when you are comparing with the C Sharp, when you are comparing with the JavaScript, when you are comparing with the PHP. Python is dead easy. Small things you have to remember. But whenever you are writing the program, small things you have to remember. That's it. That's it. Have a good luck and have a good day. Signing off. See you tomorrow. And please do practice well. I will upload the 2 recorded sessions today. And I will upload all the notes, whatever the sessions so far we done for Python. You can see in the Google Drive today. That's all for now. See you tomorrow. Bye. Have a good day. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Narsarao. Thank you. Right, guys. See you tomorrow.